I actually use all my deep learning tools here in ArcGIS Online as well.
It's web-based, right?
Web-based.
Wow.
We're all web-based. Yeah. So what I can do is if I come back to, if I go open a different map, so let me just go back a page here. Let's come out of that. Let me just go grab a map that makes sense to me. Imagery, cover. Where is it? There it is. That one. If we go and do this, I'll show you an example. So let me just turn on an image there. So here's a set of imagery, right? And what I can do in here, if I might say, in a given area here, what have I got there? So I've got a few. There's a car park. Let's do cars, right? So what I want to do is I want to go get all the red cars that are in there, okay? So what I can do in here is I can say, let's go and get a deep learning model. So I'll go grab in there, go grab a deep learning model, and I want to detect objects using deep learning. So what I'll do now is I'll say the layer that I'm going to go and use, which is actually that imagery layer there. I want to basically go and grab a model now. So I'm going to go out and I want to, in ArcGIS Online, just got to use my keyboard on the side here. This allows me then to say, okay, I want in here, hang on, actually, I'll just get around the side. I'll just do red car like that, right? So I just want to pick out those red cars in that car park. And the last thing I want to do is I want to say, hey, this is the red car layer.
Red car layer, yeah.
I want to actually tell it now, I only want to use that extent of that image. So current display extent. And I'm just estimating the number of credits, which is going to be 1, I think it should be. I'll just click run, that's all right. And what it's going to go and do now is it will actually take that area there, and you'll notice then, hang on, actually running, right?
Yeah.
So what it's doing in the back end, if I just, whilst that's running, I'll let that run. And if I go to an area here, for example, I ran one earlier today and I just said, just give me all the cars that were in this. So you can see it's cars in the west end of Adelaide. So I've basically gone through, it's missed all the vans, missed all the buses, and it's got all the cars in the car park through there. And I just asked for a general, see it missed the ute, didn't like the ute, so that wasn't, each one of these also, if I go and click on one of these, let's say, I know, let's go grab this lot over here. If I click on that, what you'll see also is it gives me a probability, it's 42%.
42%, yeah.
And if I go to the next one, I'll say that's a probability of 38%. So you can see now I can actually filter everything, and I can say with this, let's go with that guy, and we can go, let me just come on this one, and when we come over, grab that one, so I should be able to, over here, properties on that layer, I can now filter this, so let's go, where are we, display order, why can't I do this? Information, layer style, blending, I'm looking for a filter, feature display order, can't find it, must be the next one. No. Here we go. And I can choose an attribute, so I can go field, confidence level, add that one. And what I'll do now is I can actually, instead of being red, I can actually start to symbolize these now, and by the importance. And so if we say, you can see now the confidence dark blue, you can actually start to see exactly, just change the styles on that as well. So let's just change the color so we can actually make it more interesting.
Yeah.
I don't want to do that. I just want to change colour. Why isn't it ramping? There we go. That's better. So now you'll see the light stuff doesn't really matter that much, but the heavy stuff, you can see the higher confidence stuff now.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah. And so that's how we work on the deep learning stuff, is that it's a level of confidence to be able to do that. You see it's still ticking away in the background over here, so if I go back and look at that, you'll see it's still ticking over and running, but it shouldn't take too much longer. You can see, especially in that car park there, very low confidence, very high confidence through there. Yeah.
And what about the